Owo is a special and delicious soup in Edo. We use it for yam, plantain and every other thing that you can use it for. Also, other parts in Nigeria use it to swallow starch or eat starch. If you want to know how I prepare our Edo Owo soup, stay tuned. Let's dive into the video. Here are the ingredients you need for this Owo soup. I have my fresh tomatoes, crayfish, anytime what you know as prawns. I have my diced momo, which have already been pre-cooked as well. I have my dry microfish. You can use any fish of your choice. I have my ewi, what you know as dry fish. I have my maggi cube as bouillon cube. I have my salt, scotch bonnet pepper, what you know as banero pepper. Here is my akau, and we know it as potage as well. Here is my red palm oil. These are the ingredients you need for this Owo soup. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try it, and I know you will love it. And here is my onions. How could I have forgotten onions? I will go ahead and blend everything which have already been cut so that my blender can walk it through. So as we continue to blend all the ingredients that need to be blended, I would love to say a very big thank you to all my lovers of good things. Thank you all so much. I do really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. May God bless you. You that is just subscribing, thank you. You are welcome. I appreciate you for subscribing, and you will never regret subscribing to my channel. Here I have blended the first batch. I will go and blend the second one, and I will be blending it with my crayfish as well. So I hope you love this video and I hope you enjoy it. Here I will blend the crayfish with the last batch. Owo soup is a local delicacy in this part of Nigeria, Edo. Owo soup can be prepared in different methods with different ingredients, but we the Edos, we use tomatoes, crayfish and all those sweet ingredients, you understand, onions, those important ingredients you need for this Owo soup that will make it so local and delicious. So after blending it, I add some of the ingredients, which is salt, bouillon cube, my anytime and my cut momo meat. I will allow them to cook together so that I will add the rest ingredients. Just keep watching this video and I know you will love it. As I said, you are going to enjoy it. If you don't know how to prepare Owo soup and you are a Benin person, please just watch this video from the starting to the end and I know you will love it. If you watch to this extent, thank you. May God bless you. Please support me by sharing my video to your friends and family, to any social media you operate. Thank you, and you are well appreciated. If you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do well and subscribe. You will never regret it. Here I add the potage because I blend the potage so that everything will just melt instantly. So just keep on washing. After the owo is perfectly cooked, I'm going to keep it for some minutes before adding oil. That is how we do it. Don't just add your oil immediately you drop your owo from the fire. You will allow it to cool down before adding the oil. I add the fish. Very soon I will also add the ewi so that it will not get scattered. Like this one is normally add later, because if it's scatter, you're not going to enjoy anything for inside the Owo soup. So this is how it is prepared and I know you will love it. Please, if you enjoyed the video at last, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, what we know as like the video, share, and thank you for doing that. May God bless you. Remember to always subscribe to our channel. Thank you all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. And let me know your thoughts at the end of the video in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback. God bless you. Bye.